Hello everybody, my name's Gerald and I am the roast master for Peaberry Coffee, and I'm going to show you today how to make a coffee, an espresso based coffee on our coffee machine at the roastery. This I can put away. And today we're going to use Colombia Bilbao, which is in this hopper here. The first thing we need is a cup. That's very important, and preferably clean. The next thing I'm going to do is dose up the handle of the espresso machine. I'm going to fill this basket with already a pre-measured amount of 18.7 grams of Bilbao, a delicious coffee from Colombia, top of the Colombian Andes Mountains in the red zone, where other things are. Excellent. Next thing we must do is dress the coffee. So I'm just literally going to dress that coffee, make sure it's as level as I can, looking pretty good. Then we'll tamp it. But when we tamp it so it's level. Otherwise the water will find its own easiest way through the coffee. Okay? So that's pretty good there. Okay, very important, next step is flush your group head that you're going to use. Make sure you give it a flush, freshen it up before you put your handle in. Putting the handle in, nice and secure. Cup under here and press. About 22-23 seconds I reckon. And we have a lovely, lovely crema on top of the coffee. That shows how fresh the coffee is, it's poured well, it's extracted well. Next thing we're going to do is bang out the spent grind. Okay, so if you enjoyed watching this channel, please subscribe by banging the subscribe button.